In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print checks on plain paper in QuickBooks. If you've already recorded a check in QuickBooks and just need to print it on plain paper, the process is straightforward. We'll start right inside your QuickBooks dashboard. First, head to the very top of your screen and click on the search bar. This is the quickest way to find exactly what you need without digging through menus. When the search options appear, choose Advanced Transactions Search. This opens a more powerful search window so you can filter by the exact type of transaction you're looking for. Next, set the transaction type to check. This tells QuickBooks to show only checks in your results, which is especially helpful if you have a lot of activity in your file. You can narrow things down further by date, payee, or amount if you like, but selecting check is the most important filter for today's task. Once you see the list of matching checks, find the one you want to print and click on it to open the full transaction. With the check open, take a quick moment to review the details. Make sure the payee, date, amount, and memo are accurate, and that the bank account and category are correct. It's always easier to catch small mistakes now than after you've printed. When everything looks good, look for the option labeled Print Check and select it. QuickBooks will prepare a print-friendly version of the check for you. At this point, you're ready to print on plain paper. Using standard letter-size paper works for most purposes, including internal records or documentation you need to keep on file. If you intend to present the printout to a bank, be aware that acceptance can vary. Some institutions prefer or require pre-printed check stock, while others may accept plain paper. If this is for a vendor or a formal payment, check the requirements in advance so there are no surprises. Before you send it to your printer, glance at the preview to confirm that the layout looks correct and that none of the edges are cut off. Clear, legible prints reflect well on your records and reduce the chance of confusion later. After printing, file a copy with your other payment documents so you can easily reference it during reconciliation or for year-end reporting. That's all there is to it. Click the search bar, open Advanced Transactions Search, filter by check, open the check, and select Print Check. With these simple steps, you can quickly print checks on plain paper right from QuickBooks and keep your payment process running smoothly.